Defining the baseline of the urban energy model. After we have created an urban energy model, we need to add energy data to the buildings to determine the baseline. This is done using the tools which are included in the urban energy model. There are 3 tools that can be used. USiT to simulate the energy performance of buildings in urban areas on the URSA's simulation engine. SAPMAP, which is based in the standard assessment procedure applied in the UK. And UEP, an urban energy planning tool to assess the energy demand in new buildings. First, we see how to calculate a baseline using the USiT tool. We first click on a building and click Run Energy Simulation. This opens a form to configure a new energy simulation. Here we can see the energy simulation tool of this model called USiT. We move through the tabs to modify the parameters of this energy simulation tool: building properties, occupancy, and system parameters. Then we click Run Energy Simulation. The calculation is running and the output data is displayed in the Energy Outputs tab. We can see here the output of the energy simulation. When we close the form, the window from which we started the process shows the new indicator values of the building. Green color indicates that the values calculated in the simulation are better than the baseline values. Red color means that they're worse. The calculated data is automatically saved in the model. This means that you can see these values whenever you want by clicking on the building. In addition, it is also possible to see these new values in the building's mode view. We can run the energy simulation on every building as many times as we want until we have the appropriate values. Finally, once the desired outputs are generated, click Save Changes. Then the platform will store the data calculated with the energy simulations as a baseline of the urban energy model. Let's calculate now the baseline for another urban energy model using the SAPMAP tool. To run the energy simulation, we have to go to the tab Energy Efficiency Data and click Calculate. The simulation outputs will be displayed above. Let's now use the tool called UEP. With this tool, the energy simulation is calculated every time we set the value of the parameters. To see the outputs, we go to the tab Energy Outputs. Click Save to save the changes. In this case, we can discard the changes clicking the red cross.